WordPress for RightBlogger is here. That's right, the #1 blog platform is now available to be integrated into your RightBlogger account. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how to set it up. Let's jump in. So you can see here, I'm already logged into RightBlogger. Now, integrations on RightBlogger work with projects. So I'm going to go in the sidebar and click on projects. Here you can see I already have a site set up with WordPress, so it shows a little symbol if your site is connected, but I'm actually going to set up a new integration. This is done by clicking edit, or if you don't have any projects, you can just hit add project and set up a new one. So for this one, I'm going to hit edit on this project, and like before, of course, you can set up all your tool defaults and things like that. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll see there's a new integrations area. And here we have our WordPress settings. So once you set up WordPress in RightBlogger, it'll actually let you push posts from RightBlogger directly to your WordPress site, skipping that entire step of copying and pasting that we had before. So you can see here, to set this up, we need a WordPress URL, our WordPress username, and an application password. Keep in mind the application password is different than your WordPress password, and I'm going to show you how to get one in this video. So I'm just going to type in our WordPress URL here, which I have an example site. I'm also going to type in my username, and then I'm going to go get the application password. So if you're unfamiliar, you can hover over this little I and it'll kind of walk you through it, but I'm going to show you right now how to do that. So I'm going to go over to our WordPress site here, and I'm already logged in here, and you can see I'm logged in on the WordPress dashboard, which is /wp-admin. But if you're watching this, I assume you're already logged into your WordPress site and on the dashboard. So I'm going to scroll down here, and you'll see users. And in users, you can hit profile. What this is going to do is it's going to open your profile. You've probably done this if you've ever reset your password or edit settings for your profile. So I'm going to scroll down here. So you can see the normal password area, but we're going to go past that and go to application passwords. Basically in WordPress, this built-in way lets you easily connect to outside integrations like RightBlogger. So it makes it really secure and easy, and you don't have to share your original password with RightBlogger. So to get started, we have to actually fill in an application name. So I'll just type in RightBlogger, and I'm going to hit add new application password. And you can see here, we have our application password right here. Easy to copy and paste. I'm just going to hit copy. And let's go back over to RightBlogger. And all we need to do is paste in that application password here. If you want to confirm that it's correct, you can hit this little I here to actually read it all. But that looks good. And we can also set a default status. So this will actually change the status of the post. So if you want to go from RightBlogger directly publishing into your WordPress site, you can do that by selecting published here. But I really recommend doing draft so you can actually sit and review the post before publishing it onto your site. So now that we have that all set up, I'm going to hit save. And you can see now we have the new project set up and connected to our test site that I'm showing you here. So now that we have that connected, we can easily send anything that we use in the article writer, in the video to blog tool, basically any of the article tools, we can easily send over to our WordPress site. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to head over to the article writer, and I already have an article written here. So I'm just going to open this one. It's a time management article. And if we scroll down, then you can see on the bottom here, we've redone this bar. So of course we still have the share option for sharing links. If you want to download a docx, you can click here or copy as plain text. Of course, the normal copy button is there, but now we have a new send to WordPress button. So all I have to do is click that, and then I'm going to hit WordPress. And you can see here, it's sending to our WordPress, and it's successfully posted. So we can hit open post. And right now it's set up as a draft, but you can see here, it's all the content we had in our article that we generated with RightBlogger, and I can go in and hit edit post, and from here I can add a featured image or any other settings that I want to add, and then actually publish it onto my site. And it'll also bring over images and things like that. So overall, a really simple way to bring RightBlogger content right into your blog. Now let's go back over to RightBlogger. It also works with the editor. So if you've edited your content using the editor, for example, you write something here, you can also send this content to your WordPress site. So if you actually want to sit here, generate an article in RightBlogger, edit it, and then actually send it to your WordPress site, you can do it all right here. Overall, a really easy way to share content to your WordPress site. We'd love to hear what you think and what integrations you want to see in the future. We're going to plan on adding a few more platforms down there. So if you have a blogging platform you use that we don't cover, definitely let us know, and we'll try to get that added in there so you could send it to your Ghost site or something like that, Squarespace. I think that'd be really cool. But right now, we just have the WordPress one. Definitely let us know what you think, and thanks for watching. See ya.